Well, hey guys, welcome back. And if you're new, I'm so happy you're here. You're so welcome. Today I have some really great Christmas DIYs for you guys. First, I have this really pretty Let It Snow sign that I love, and you guys wanted some red truck DIY, so I made sure I did two of those. And this really pretty cozy cottage looking wood decor, and last another one of those red truck DIYs. So the first one I have is a snowman decor sign. Now I got these snowman signs from the Dollar Tree, and I went ahead and I hot glued those two together, and I also went ahead and reinforced it with some popsicle sticks and some hot glue on the back. Now as you can see, they're a little bit short, and that's because I cut them down. I'm going to be using those short pieces for another DIY later on. And then I put some fast drying clay inside of that seam, and then I went ahead and painted it down with matte black. In the meantime, I got one of these Let It Snow signs, and I'm gonna just go ahead and glitter it up with this snow glitter. I'm going to get it to match that snowman stake that you just saw, because I'm going to be using that also. So I'm just going to make sure that it matches. Now I'm going to remove that stick, and I'm going to go ahead and dress up the snowman. I altered his face a little bit, but I wanted to get rid of that snow, then make my own hat and scarf for him. And I really wanted him to look really handsome, so that's what I did. And I added some of that glitter to him so that way to make sure he matches, and I just glued him in place. Now I'm going to take that Let It Snow, and I'm just going to hot glue that in place also. And as you can see, I'm just adding some greenery to this, and guys, I am done. I absolutely love the way this looks. Doesn't the Let It Snow part of it, it looks just like snow. That's why I'm giving you guys a close-up. And I love the way that white pops off that matte black. It is so adorable. But yeah, it looks like glistening snow. I love the way this turned out. So I hope you guys like it too. Really, really cute. And it was really simple and with all Dollar Tree items. Now for my next DIY, I'm going to be doing a rustic red truck sign. And this one, I just took one of these signs from the Dollar Tree and removed the ribbon, of course. I'm going to flip it over. And I also have this placemat. I got this from the Dollar General for only $1, guys. Gotta pick this up. If you see them, grab a few of them. I can only get one. And I'm just going to go ahead and measure it out where I want it to go. And once I trace it out and measure it, I'm just going to go ahead and put it on my cutting mat and get my X-Acto knife, and I'm going to cut it. Now this cuts really well, as you can see, very easy, and I'm just going to glue it in place. I got these little tumbling blocks that I previously went ahead and stained, and I'm just putting them in place where I want them to go. Now I'm going to hot glue them together. I'm using my ruler to make sure that I do get a straight line, because I'm going to be placing these on the top, and I'm going to do the same thing with the other tumbling blocks. Now as you can see, I already hot glued it down. I'm just taking that piece that I previously cut out and simply hot gluing it, and these tumbling blocks that I glued together, I'm just putting those on the bottom. Now to finish it off, I want to be able to hang this up, so I added some nautical rope to the back, and guys, that's it. This took under 10 minutes for everything. I love an easy, quick Dollar Tree DIY, and this right here is amazing. I'll use this for years to come, and it's so unique with that wood on it. Really gives it a really nice effect. For my next DIY, guys, I did a wood block Christmas decor. I love this. It has that cozy cottage themed wood decor that I was going for my Christmas theme this year, and it's adorable. This is something that you would find in one of those shops in a quaint town on Main Street that you curate and bring it home, because you will never see anybody else with that piece, and I absolutely love it. It's adorable. Now this is what I used those pieces for that I cut off previously, and guys, I'm just going to go ahead and paint them out. I have red and green Christmas colors. Now this green is so pretty and bright, and the red is too, but I wanted to bring them down a little bit to match that decor that I'm going to be going for, the aesthetic. And I blended them out by adding a little green in the red and a little red in the green, and it's that simple. Now that they dried down, I'm going to go ahead And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take these stained tumbling blocks and I'm going to just frame it out. And I'll show you how I'll do this. I'm just adding in some hot glue, of course, and then I'm going to frame it out on the sides. And I did put a little nautical rope on one of them because that one in particular, I'm going to be using a word. And that's where I added that on. And I also put a little bit of jute string bow in each corner just to give it a little bit more of a cozy feel. Now I got these ornaments from the Dollar Tree, and then one I got from the Dollar General, the little wolf. It's so cute with the fur, isn't it? And I had to use the wolf. And now all I'm going to do is just put some hot glue on them, and I'm putting the wolf on the red one and the star and the joy word I'm going to put on the green ones. And they stand up on their own individually, and I had to use the wolf, guys. It's so cute. My husband's nickname has wolf in it. I will not say what it is. He'll kill me. But yeah, I love that. So that's like an ode to the hubby. And for the joy sign, I went ahead and put a little bit of nautical rope on the bottom. That's the one I put that one on. But yeah, they stand up individually on their own, and I love these. They turned out so cute. And like I said, they look like pieces that you would get in a shop on Main Street that nobody else is going to have, and they're handmade. So what I did was to blend it all together. I used a little bit of red buffalo check, and guys, put a little wood bead with a tassel on the end of it to really bring the whole thing together, and I love this. This is adorable. I will be using this for years to come, and I think this is my favorite. I usually don't have a favorite, but I think this one is my favorite. This is so adorable. Cozy cottage theme wood decor that I love. Yes, love this one, guys. So for my last DIY, I did a red truck sleigh decor. These sleigh cardboards are at the Dollar Tree. And it's like a thick cardboard. It's really not like the faux wood or whatever, but I just sanded it down and disassembled it. And then I painted this out on white, and I painted the other pieces in matte black. And actually, they have some really cute red truck wood window clings at the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to be using those. So I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue this back together. And I'm making sure that I have the painted side facing up. And all I'm going to do is add this last piece on, and I'm going to basically get my clings and see where I'm going to place them. And once I know where I want them to go, I'm going to get some Mod Podge and apply the Mod Podge. And once I get it all in place, I'm going to go back over it with the coat of Mod Podge to make sure that it lasts and stays in place. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of greenery. Guys, I do apologize if my voice sounds a little hoarse. I have a little sore throat, so excuse me, guys. And now I went ahead and added some berries and a little bit of pine cones, and that's it. Nice, quick, and easy. I love easy decors that are budget friendly. So guys, I hope you like all of these also. Let me know which one is your favorite. I guess you guys already know which one mine is, the one with the wolf in it, as an ode to the hubby. Anyway, guys, I'm so happy that you were able to join me. If you're new, I would love for you to become a part of the family. But for you guys that are the ride or dies, so happy to see you guys again. In the meantime, if you want to see more decor like this or more DIYs, then please don't forget to like and subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And of course, hit the bell for notifications, guys. All right, I will see you all next time. Thank you so much for staying and watching to the end, and have a great day, guys.